Hello everyone, Yvonne Marie here for Whimsy Stamps. So Whimsy Stamps has different quick strips die sets, and I wanted to share the two that I do have. There is 4, and there is another sentiment strips die there on the website. So let's go ahead and use 1 and 3, and I will put the other ones on my wish list because I do want to get those as well. And I wanted to make tons of sentiment strips. This is good for if you lost your mojo and you're not sure what to do to be productive for your projects. And this is a good idea to make some sentiment strips. You just always need a sentiment for your card or project. And I love all these different shapes. You can layer them. And so this is a great stamp set, and it is called Simple Sentiment Strips, and I love it. And so I thought we would stamp out the largest sentiments first. And so this is just a regular A2 panel, and I have my stamping platform. And so I put a bunch of longer sentiments on here because these sentiment strips are, some of them are longer. So I wanted to use those first, and then I will stamp the other small ones later on off camera. But I plan to make so many sentiment strips, and I do want to layer them. So I didn't layer them on this video. So maybe there will be a part 2 sharing what it looks like to layer them, and maybe I'll add them to a project. So hopefully you like this idea. It's good for starting out as beginners, and it's good for us who's been doing projects for a while. So it's good for all of us. And sometimes I like to do this. Sometimes I like to make card bases, a lot of card bases at one time. So, but sentiment strips, oh, I love sentiment strips. And I want to do them in all the colors and emboss all of them. So I did do them in purple as well. But here are the black ones that I am going to cut out with the dies here, and it's just a matter of like preference and just do you want stitched or not stitched? Do you want oval? I just love all these different shapes and options, and so I thought it was a lot of fun. And you know, and it just depends too on your project. So maybe you want to do like tons of them in one of the ovals, or you know, of just, I like this diagonal strip here. I cut it off the edge, but that's okay. I'll redo it. And I just like a basic fishtail flag banner die. So there's a skinny one on here, and there's a stitched one, and it just all makes me so happy. So I'm gonna have to get the other sets. And so I hope you'll check them out. And you can do this with pattern paper as well. You can layer it with pattern paper and then put your sentiment on top. And so I just love what it looks like. You can add tape if you don't have a magnetic board, and just tape them in place. Let the good times roll. I like those. What does this one say? You're totally amazing. That's the one I cut off, but I'm just going to probably use my scissors for that, and then I'll redo it. Do what makes you happy. That's another favorite. This sentiment strip stamp set is just really, really great. And I will go ahead and link the products that I am using today. And I just hope you grab some and check out the other strips too. And maybe, like I said, we'll do a part 2, and maybe you can do these with me. And and we'll add them to a project just so you can see. I'd like to, there's another stamp set I wanted to share with you with my favorite sentiments as well. So yeah, so so no project today, but I did wanted to share this great use of your you know, your time, because having a sentiment on hand ready to go just makes your life so much easier. And so here's the purple ones that I did. And I did use some new Versafine Clair ink. And the color I used I used Wisteria purple and it's just so pretty. So I love it. And so just using the quick strips 3 on this one. And I love those shapes. These ones aren't stitched, but I just love the shapes of these ones as well. And so here's what they look like. And I did the same sentiments on these ones, so I'll have to go back and do some more because this stamp set has, I can't even tell you how many sentiments it has on there. Congratulations on your special day, um, over the hill, so many. And so I hope you like this little series I'm doing. Yay, I'm so happy. And here's a little box I have in my stash, and I'm just going to put them in there for now. And thank you for joining me today, and I'll be back with another video.